So guys, let's take a look at what we will be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. So if you take a look at this moment, we actually predicted a bullish move yesterday on GBP USD, which market eventually gave us that bullish move, right? On Thursday, market gave us a bullish move on Thursday, which we were actually very much anticipating for. We were expecting the bullish move, and market did that. So at first, we actually predicted it to come to tap a level of 1.3 to 730. It tapped the level and even broke above it. So basically, it was a massive bullish move. Now for this Thursday, right? For Thursday that I'm doing this prediction for, we should expect markets also give us a bullish move. So this is one of the reasons why if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram so you will not miss out on it. Now let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day of GBP. Previous trend, this is the downtrend. But when you go to your 4-hour time frame, you see the current trend, which is now an uptrend move. Now, take a look at this moment right here, guys. This is our higher high. This is the higher low. Market was able to push out to form a new higher high. Now, this is the higher low. Now that we've gotten this higher low, what should we be expecting is, of course, we should expect market to push out to form a new higher high. You should take out this previous high. So guys, a bullish move for the day, what you should be expecting on our GBP USD. So if you are not yet in the buy, you can look to go in for the buy and hold your buy position for the day.